Next, we're going to do a comparison of the RoGator 1100, and here is its display, the Raven Viper Pro. So we're going to go ahead and start a new job. So we're going to select new job, and then we can add in the job name. It then is going to ask us what kind of guidance line we're going to use for this job, so just doing a straight track, and how we're going to be controlling the boom sections. Just going to use a standard AccuBoom configuration. Then the Viper Pro asks us if we're going to be utilizing nodes to apply, or if we had dry products, we are going to be using chains. Then we input our product name up on the top, and if you're using a prescription file, you can put it in here. Then we're going to open the job, and from there we'll go to the field page where we can set our guidance line and start applying. Notice on the RoGator sprayer that they use a aftermarket company, Raven, to control their products, documentation, and guidance, in comparison to John Deere that has their own products developed by John Deere themselves. So you have a green on green solution when you go with John Deere.